Welcome to 4469 B Street, Southeast Washington, D.C. We are right off of Central Avenue and Benning Road. We've got 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a very, very spacious ground floor condo. Let's take a look. All right, this unit 101, we'll go inside in a second, but first let's check out the storage. So every owner in the building has locked storage into the storage area, and then their own private storage unit. It's about 5 by 5 by 7, 5 by 5 by 8. Now let's go into the unit itself. Like I said, lots of space, ground floor unit, new seal coat on the exterior. This would be an eat-in kitchen area. Or it could be a sitting room. Got a laundry room. Full bathroom right here. Bar top, you can have 3 hot chairs here. This would be bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. So it's a pretty straightforward unit. Again, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 4469 B Street, Southeast Washington, D.C., right off of Central Avenue, 214. I guess at this point it's called East Capitol Street. East Capitol Street, Benning Road, by the shrimp boat. Walking distance to the metro, literally 2 blocks to the metro, 2 blocks to the shrimp boat. Convenient to everything. Very affordable. What more can you want at this price point in DC? If you want to live in DC proper, it doesn't get much better value than this. See you next time.